July 2017. I lost my grandfather who suffered from stroke, and he was bedridden for 2 years before we lost him completely. Heart attacks and strokes are the world's leading causes of death. Just like stroke, there are so many deadly diseases around the world that we are concerned about. We often take lightly of the phrase, prevention is better than cure. But little did we know that not all health issues are actually curable. Would you be surprised to hear if I say there is this one magic compound which could prevent more than a dozen of health issues? That's right. The magic compound is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s can fight depression and anxiety, can improve eye health, can promote brain health during pregnancy and early life, can improve risk factors of heart diseases, can reduce the symptoms of ADHD in children, can reduce symptoms of metabolic syndrome, can help to fight inflammation, can fight autoimmune diseases, can fight age-related mental decline and Alzheimer's diseases, may help prevent cancer, can reduce asthma in children, can reduce fat in our liver, can alleviate menstrual pain, and last but not least, can improve the quality of your sleep. From here, we know that it is an essential fatty acid, but our body can't produce it on its own. Therefore, we need to either take fish oil supplements made from fatty fish or directly consume the fish itself. However, there are setbacks in using fatty fish as a source of EPA and DHA to humans. One of it is that the global catch of fishes have been declining since the late 1980s. Next, we have increase in water pollution with extreme contaminants like mercury, which could be ingested by those fatty fishes, and then we humans consume the fish, we are indirectly ingesting the mercury itself. Well, now you must be thinking that you are safe from mercury if you take fish oil supplements instead. However, there are big and small fish oil suppliers where the reputable ones could have the technology to purify this oil, but not the small fish oil suppliers. And yes, it is obvious that not all could afford to get their fish oil from reputable suppliers. Besides, we have our vegetarian friends that could not consume the fish oil to increase EPA and DHA, not to forget its unrestricted odor has its effects even to the non-vegetarians. Therefore, it is vital to have an inexpensive, safe, and large production of alternative for the source of omega-3 fatty acid. Do you feel a little full when you see this figure here? I know, right? People are consuming fatty fish, krill, genetically modified plants, and fish oil that is so gross just to increase omega-3 fatty acids in our body. When I'm here today saying that there are successful studies out there stating we could obtain omega-3 fatty acid by simply optimizing the growth of marine microalgae. Phew, what a relief! Marine microalgae have a simple cell structure and their growth only requires light, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients. Photosynthetically, microalgae can convert those necessities into energy and use that in cell development. In my study, the marine prime mesophite Pavlova lutheri, which is commonly used in aquaculture, I'll be assessing this microalgae in terms of biomass yield and fatty acid profile by manipulating the influence of carbon dioxide concentration in the culture and coupled with the influence of light intensity at the culture surface. So, no more need of consuming the gross fish oil supplements? Yes, that is the best essence of my research. Right now, we are facing a world pandemic because of one tiny little monster that are not even visible to our naked eyes. So you should believe that my tiny little magic compound could save lives instead. As quoted by Sir Virgil, the greatest wealth is health. With that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you